Hey there! Today let's talk about VA loans. VA loans are mortgage loans guaranteed by U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs. VA loans are designed to help eligible veterans, active duty service members, and certain members of National Guard and Reserves become homeowners. VA loans offer several benefits compared to conventional loans, making them a popular choice among those who qualify. So let's talk about key features. The first feature is no down payment. Eligible borrowers can purchase a home with no down payment, making it easier to afford a home without saving for years. The second thing is there is no private mortgage insurance. Unlike conventional loans, VA loans do not require PMI, which can save borrowers significant amounts of money over the life of the loan. VA loans have competitive interest rates. They typically offer lower interest rates compared to conventional loans, helping to reduce monthly payments and overall loan costs. Another feature for VA loans is that they have flexible credit requirements. They are more lenient with credit requirements, making it easier for borrowers with lower credit score to qualify. They also have limited closing costs. The VA limits the amount of closing costs that veterans can be charged, helping to keep the upfront costs of buying a home more affordable. Another great feature for VA loans is that borrowers can pay off their VA loan early without any prepayment penalties, allowing for greater financial flexibility. VA loans are also assumable, meaning that a qualified buyer can take over the loan under the same terms. This can be an attractive feature when selling a home. Now let's talk about eligibility requirements. Active duty service members, veterans, and certain members of National Guard and Reserves are eligible. Specific service requirements must be met, such as serving a minimum number of days during wartime or peacetime. Borrowers must obtain a certificate of eligibility from the VA to prove their eligibility for a VA loan. This can be done through the VA, a lender, or online through the VA's e-benefits portal. The property must be the borrower's primary residence. VA loans are not available for investment properties or vacation homes. Now let's talk about types of VA loans. VA purchase loans. They are used to buy a home with benefits such as no down payment and no PMI. Second, VA cash out refinance loans. They allow borrowers to take cash out of their home equity to pay off debt, fund education, or make home improvements. VA interest rate reduction refinance loan, also known as the VA streamlined refinance loan. This is used to refinance an existing VA loan to a lower interest rate with minimal paperwork. And the last type of VA loan is VA energy efficient mortgage. Provides additional funds for energy efficient home improvements as part of a home VA purchase or refinance. Now let's talk about steps to obtain a VA loan. You can apply for your COE through the VA, your lender, or online via the VA's e-benefits portal. Choose a lender that specializes in VA loans and can guide you through the process. Get pre-qualified to understand how much you can afford and to strengthen your offer when buying a home. Once you are under contract on a home, the VA requires an appraisal to ensure the property meets its minimum property requirements and is worth the purchase price. VA loans offer a range of benefits including no down payment, no PMI, competitive interest rates, and flexible credit requirements, making home ownership more accessible for eligible service members. If you are interested in a VA loan, or if you have any questions about VA loan, we would be happy to connect with you with a lender who can help you determine whether you qualify. See you in the next one.